The Map Bookmark tool in SpatialXL in the navigation toolbar allows you to create and save bookmarks or shortcuts to any locations on your map. As an example, we'll create a map bookmark for the area of Soweto. So we'll firstly zoom into this location on our map, and then we'll create a bookmark to be able to return to this map view at any time. You can create map bookmarks from the Map Bookmark button here, which saves your bookmarks as a global setting. This means you can access these bookmarks from any workbook that you open in SpatialXL. You can also create bookmarks from the layer control menu. So for example, if we click the customer layer, we can create the same bookmarks here, and these bookmarks will be saved within this workbook only. We'll do an example here of a global bookmark first. So we'll click on the bookmark icon and click Manage. Here you'll see a list appear of any bookmarks you have previously set up. And to add our Soweto view as a new bookmark, we'll click here below the current bookmarks and we'll call it Soweto. We can also add a description for this bookmark as well. But for now, we'll simply close the bookmark window. So now if we were to zoom back out and we wanted to quickly access our Soweto view, we could simply click on the Map Bookmark button, and you'll see Soweto has been added to our global list, and we can simply click Soweto and it will zoom to this view for us. As another example, we'll create a map bookmark that we want saved for this workbook only. So we'll zoom to another location on our map. Let's take the Krugersdorp area, and again we'll firstly zoom to the location for the bookmark. And now we'll right click on our customer layer and select Bookmarks, Manage. And here you'll see we currently don't have any bookmarks set up for this current workbook, only under our global settings. So here we'll call this Krugersdorp. And again, we'll just leave the description as blank for now. So we'll close that window and zoom back out. And now if we click on our Map Bookmark tool here, you'll see we now have a bookmark added under our layer menu. And if we select this bookmark, it will zoom to our Krugersdorp layer. And we can also access this by right-clicking the customers, selecting bookmarks, and choosing the Krugersdorp bookmark here. If we had to open a new workbook, the global map bookmarks would be available to us, but the bookmark we created for Krugersdorp would not be available as that has been saved to this workbook only. To make any changes to your map bookmarks or save or remove bookmarks, you can manage this from the Manage button. You would use the Manage tool here for your global bookmarks and the Manage tool here for your local bookmarks. We'll use the global bookmarks as an example, so we'll click Manage. And if we open up the bookmarks box, we have a couple of options we can choose from here. We can firstly replace the existing workbook. So for example, if we went to our Soweto bookmark view by selecting Soweto and then clicking Go to Bookmark, we may wish to change this view, for example, zoom out. And once we have our new view, we can then click Replace Bookmark. And this will replace our Soweto bookmark to update the current map view. So if we were to zoom out on our map, and now we select our Soweto bookmark, you'll see it will zoom to the new updated view. You can also remove any bookmarks from your list by selecting the bookmark here and then clicking the Delete Bookmark button. You can also save your bookmarks as a file to provide to other users of SpatialXL. Firstly, you'd click on the Save Bookmarks to File button, and then you would save this as a list to your machine. It will save as a bookmark.bookmark list file, which you can then save. And you can then provide this file to another user of SpatialXL, and they'd be able to open up their bookmarks window and click Load Bookmarks from File. And they'd be able to load your bookmark file, which will open and display all the bookmarks that you have set up. You can also access these menu items by right-clicking on any of your bookmarks and replacing, loading, saving and deleting from here as well.